Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Pandora with smart speakers. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To use Pandora with a smart speaker, you first need to link your Pandora account within the smart speakers companion app. So it could be Alexa app, Google Home app, and so on. And then you use simple voice commands to control playback. So on Amazon Alexa, so open the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile, tap the More menu, so three horizontal lines, and select Settings, select Music and Podcast, tap Link New Service, then choose Pandora, and then you can use it. On Google Assistant like Nest or Home, you can open the Google Home app on your mobile, tap the plus add icon in the top left corner, and then select Music and Audio. Select Pandora from the list of available services. Agree to it when prompted. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.